Hey guys, it's Will. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the moments I had at Airsoft Palooza of 2026. I got to meet a lot of new people, see a lot of upcoming products, and have a lot of fun. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Come on, somebody else. Oh, did it? I don't think I did. Oh shit, that's right. Watch out. Ooh.
I hear you. You want to take a break?
Hi, Sam. He's in that room. Sit. Sit. Oh, I didn't even see you.
Wow. That last one? Yeah.
The what?
I'm gonna give you a fist bump. For that one. You annihilated my forehead.
Sit. One upstairs, one upstairs. Sit.
Now that we got the gameplay out of the way, let's talk about the event itself. It was crowded with people, as you can see. It was loud and exciting the whole way through, especially during the drawing for the raffle. That got pretty hectic. At one point, they just started throwing Autobot speed loaders.
Jordan's trying to throw an Autobot. I don't know if that's a good idea.
Unfortunately, I didn't win anything, but there is still hope for next time. After the drawing and everyone was leaving, I stopped by the Evic store to price check a pistol I've been looking at. While I was checking the details about it, Matt from Evike stopped and helped me out with some of the information about it. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video of this since it was after the event. Sorry about that. Well guys, that'll just about wrap up the video. I know I made such a big event into such a small video, but I didn't want to bore you with all the small stuff. Thanks for watching. Till next time.